Good morning students. Let us study the 10th class bioscience topic excretion in other organisms. So in the previous classes we have seen the different excretory organs which also help in removal of the waste substances. Today we will see some other organisms where you find different kinds of excretory organs. So see here protozoans. Protozoans are the group of organisms in which by a simple method called as diffusion through the body surface the waste will move into the water. So they don't require any special organ to remove the waste material. Only by simple movement of the molecules you are calling it as diffusion. So the waste molecules will move outside the body surface and enter the water because these organisms live in water. Second type is platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes are the organisms which are called as flatworms. They are the flatworms which you find in some human beings also. They contain these flatworms. These flatworms contain excretory organ called as flame cells. So flame cells are the specialized organs which help in excretion in case of platyhelminthes. Nematodes. Nematodes contain round worms. So round worms are included under nematodes where you find cells called as rennet cells. So rennet cells are the specialized cells in the nematoda. In Annelida, group Annelida, you have nephridia as the excretory organs. Annelids, again you have a very simple example, earthworm. In earthworm, the excretory organ is nephridia. Arthropods, cockroach. So if you take the example of cockroach, arthropoda, they contain malphigian tubules as an excretory organ. And lastly, the mammals like human beings or the birds, apes. The group apes includes birds, reptiles, snakes. So these contain kidneys as the excretory organs. So these are the different excretory organs found in different groups of animals. So see here, this is the structure of a platyhelminthes, that is a flatworm. So can you see the flatworm here? This is the flatworm. This is the flatworm and this is the structure of the excretory organ which is present in the flatworms. So you are calling that excretory organ as a flame cell. So flame cell is the excretory organ which is found in the platyhelminthes. These are the flatworms. They are also called as flatworms. Example, you can see here the cilia in the excretory unit. So this is the thread-like structures are the cilia which are present and they help in removing the waste and throwing it outside. Now down you can see earthworm which has nephridia as the excretory organ. So this is the structure of the nephridia which is found in the earthworm. This is earthworm. Earthworm belongs to Annelida. So annelids contain nephridia as an excretory organ. So see this. This is the excretory organ, nephridia, and this is the flame cell. So again see these two structures, these are the rennet cells. Rennet cells are the excretory organs which are found in the nematodes. So nematodes contain rennet cells as the excretory organs. Example is you have roundworms. So roundworms are the examples for the nematodes. They contain rennet cells. Can you see these two glands which will help in the excretion? See here, this is the tapeworm. Can you see the tapeworm? Thread-like structure. So this is the tapeworm which are called as flatworms. They contain flame cells as the excretory organs. See this. This is a picture of a roundworm. So can you see it is round? This is the roundworm and it belongs to nematodes. So nematoda. Nematodes contain rennet cells as the excretory organs. Just now we have seen the glandular structures called the rennet cells. So they are found in the nematodes. So we have studied many excretory organs found in different organisms.